Hello and welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to activate your ROAK account. This step-by-step guide will help you get set up quickly and easily. In order to get started with ROAK, you need to get an invitation in your email as shown on the screen. In the email, you will find a link. Click that link to continue. After opening the link, you go to the Activate Account page. Here you are asked to enter your first name, your last name, and create a password. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long. The last step is to accept the privacy policy and the terms of service. Now you can create your account. It might take a moment to process, but once it's done, you'll be redirected to the login page. Here you just enter the email address again and enter your password. Click on Login, and now you are ready to start using ROAK.